All right. How's it, guys? Welcome to the Vix Master channel. This is Mono right here, taking a look at Vix. Looking at the market currently, it's trending bearish. I know that because connect the highs and the lows. Look at exactly what the market is doing. So, in the downtrend here. Downtrend. Yeah, as we can see, in a downtrend, the market is trending below. So what we're looking for is only sell signals. At the current moment, we're having a sell. Hello. If you just joined us, are you there? Can you hear me? Unmute your mic. I think maybe you check. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Oh, welcome, Mandla. How's it?
Sharp, no bro.
Sure, man. Yeah, our session has started. Did you enter the sale that we got here yesterday?
Yes, I did.
You're still holding?
No, I exited the time it was making a U-turn.
Oh, no problem. Because I see also opportunities at the moment. We're having this here. We're having this rejection here.
Okay.
We're having this rejection because we entered this where it was here. We get the sell signal. The market just did this yesterday. So we're still holding though for today. But what I'm looking at is that the market is coming to retest this area here. I'm on the 1 hour.
Okay.
So it will pull back down. Yeah. And then come here. And then hit our zone. Because we're still on a downtrend. I don't see any bullish momentum at the moment. Let me see if I add. Let's do this. Go. Okay, it's fine. As I'm looking at it now, even if I go to 15 minutes, let's see, 15 minutes chart. Take a look at it there. That's going to give us a clear picture. So can you tell me, man, what are you struggling with in terms of your trading?
Okay, the challenge that I had was that I was using a smaller time frame, the 5 minutes and 1 minute.
It's too noisy.
And I was not looking into the bigger picture, basically.
Oh.
I think that was my biggest challenge,
yes. Yes, it's a bigger challenge. The smallest time frames, you use them just to get entries, man. Because you see here,
okay,
this could be a good trade. Yes. If, let's say, you have your rules, né? Let's say you say,
yes.
You're gonna enter a double top when the market is in a downtrend. Then we're looking for those conditions. Here's a downtrend.
Okay.
Right? And then here it's the level of structure where we say we enter only at the valuable area where market retested multiple times and didn't break through. So
yes.
that rule, you already have the first touch here. your area. And then now you have 2 rejections on this area.
Which is making it kind of like the double top with them.
Yes, now it's a triple top. But then on 30 minutes, it's a double top. You see?
Okay. Yes, yes, yes.
Check it. The truth. It's good. On 30 minutes, as we say, it's a double top. Only 2 weeks reached your level. You can. It's a good trade also here. But what I'm trying to show you is that you have to have this set of rules, the conditions of saying, I only enter the market this way. So let's say now, this is the double top, right? Fine, double top now. You're gonna wait candle to close bearish. This opening current candle. You only left now. You only left with 3 minutes. In 15, 14, 15 is gonna close. So you wait to see whether this candle is bearish. Then we know that, okay, bearish momentum we have the bearish momentum now. You understand? So if candle closes below this level, because now we're looking at it like that, it's gonna be a consolidation of candles. Yeah, you see.
Okay.
But then you don't force it, you don't force an entry now. You just wait for this candle to close, so that you can get a clear picture of what is happening in the market. So I wanted to show you this.
I just want to ask something there on this 15 minutes chart, the one that I'm seeing now. Ne?
Yes, yes.
I see where you on that sell zone, there's a kind of like a trend line going down, and in which
you're talking about, let me do this. Let me do this. Okay, you're talking about this one, right? This trend line, right? This high and this high connecting with these ones, right?
Oh, okay. No, I was looking at not the first point that you made. I was looking at the second point.
This one.
Yes, going down.
You connect the first high. If there's a
okay.
Connect the first high to the second one, and then if the third aligns, then you know that your trend is valid. The first.
Okay, no, I know.
Yeah, that's where you connect. You don't go for. If then you go for this one, there has to be this one and then another one, maybe somewhere here. To be two. This one, and the other one, so that it's a trend. But then if you don't have if this one is still current, you don't count it. You count the first one and the second one.
Okay, so now since that candle, I think it's a spinning. It's kind of like a doji spinning top on.
Yes, yes. So it's called indecision. You don't know who's in the market now. So the buyers are not taking profit yet here. They just they're not taking profit yet. They just want to see if the sellers are more to break this level. You see, because from this place will result if the buyers are taking their profits now. They see that sellers are more in this area. You see?
Yes.
Then they're gonna push the momentum to the seller's side.
Okay. Because I think another mistake that I was making, I was looking at that trend line thinking where you there's an arrow facing down.
Yes.
That is the candle that broke that trend line, that mini trend line from that second point that I was looking at.
No, it wasn't. Let me say this. You see this? If you connect this high and the other high,
Yes, it's still not broken.
Still not broken. Here it tried. Here it tried, but then the next candle closed below the trend line.
Yes.
And then you see all of these candles are closing below it. And then we are at an area of value. We are at a resistance. So there's too much potential for the market to break down further in this area because of there's confluence. There's the trend line. There's this area of value and the rejection wicks. You see the wicks called rejection wicks.
Yes.
So we are expecting the market to break more lower. So go to 1 hour. Let me show you this here. So looking at it on 1 hour chart, this is where I look for my trades most of the times. After I have identified the conditions on the higher level, where I know that my trend is going. So looking at it is clear here. You can see the levels is the level is respected so well here, right?
Okay. Yes.
And then the other thing that is giving us reasons to say we're gonna hold this sell to the downside to that major support to this target is that it is a head and shoulder pattern. If you can look at it here, it's a head and shoulder from this level that was respected by the price. You see, and then now.
Oh, okay.
Yes. You see it.
Yes. I see that.
Yes. There's a head. There's a shoulder here. There's a head.
And another shoulder.
And another shoulder here. So it gives me the reasons to know that I'm not in a bad trade. You understand? You can also add more positions around this area to the downside, and then your stop loss will be above this week.
Okay.
Feeling a good trade. This is a good trade also. But then you entered on that 15 minutes, confirming that you have a double top on that area. You see?
Okay. Yes.
As we're looking at it now, it's giving us sell vibes because it's rejecting that area. So that's why we got that sell signal on that on the premium group. So that's easy as that, man. I don't know if you have a question for me within.
No, I think it makes a bit more clearer now because of what I was usually doing. Let's say on the 15 minutes, I was looking at maybe the last two highs or the last two lows. Then that's where I was connecting. That is why I was seeing that that candle that on 15 minutes.
Yes.
Where I was connecting from 1945 and also connecting on 05 in the morning.
Yes.
I was seeing like, okay, that was a trend line, and the candle that broke it is it's the candle the 9 o'clock one this morning.
Yeah.
So because I was
it means you were connecting it from this point. Let's say you are connecting it from here to this one, to this one, to this one, right?
Yes.
So this is a break and retest.
Yes, that it's a retest, and it looked like it's gonna go a bit more up.
No. So that's why structure is very important. So what I want to teach you now is how to look at structure and understanding it. What you have to look at right now, or when you like trade, it's the highest top, because you look at this one and the lowest one. These are the two points that you have
areas on the structure.
on the structure. These are the most important. Whatever is happening here, yeah, it's noise. It's not, it doesn't matter in the market. This is noise. You don't look at it. So what you look at is these 2 points. The first point and the lowest point.
Okay.
So even if you're using a Fibonacci, you connect it from here to this one, not these other ones. So with that said, you know that already, okay, I have my high and I have my low. Now, what is the market doing? Okay, it came from this high to this low. You can also put your trend line around this area. You know that, okay, I have a double bottom. Then, okay, it's a structure here. This market respected that area, right? It went up. Now you have what? You have this structure and this structure. That's where you look for your trades. But then now you have this downtrend here. Okay, let me clear it for you and you see the pattern. Okay, let's say market came from this high to this low, give you a double bottom, came to this high. Now you have your trend starting like that to this point, right? And the other side, horizontal side, the other horizontal side. This will be your trend if the market is here only. You see? You get it? We lost you. Are you still there? Are you still there?
Sorry, Mbongeni.
Yes. I thought I lost you.
No, the kid just came in and switched off the fiber because I was not giving attention to him. Sorry about that, man.
Oh, okay. No, it's okay. We can move on. What is it that you don't understand? Another thing. What are you struggling with?
No, now I believe that I just need to practice more regarding the structure. And then another thing that makes me I guess to panic, like when I see the trend reversing.
Yeah. That's one other thing.
Because that's where I take the profit.
Yeah. That's a problem. That's a problem I used to have when I started. You know what you need to do, because you know that
Yes.
your account, you don't want to blow your account. The stop loss that I give is too small. It's either it's going to be
Yes.
$10 or $5. Trust me.
Okay.
I don't give signals that will make you lose more money. Remember yesterday we entered here on this area
Yes.
yesterday, and then my stop loss was here.
Yes.
It take us out, almost took us out, but it was I think 2 pips, 3 pips, then it went down. It didn't take us out.
Okay.
So I think you took your profit when it came back.
Yes, I took because I took the profit. I think it was down by 1.4. Then
Yeah.
that's why I took the profit.
Okay. No, I get it. But then, if you have your stop loss, you don't have to be scared because of it's what you're willing to risk on that trade. So
Okay.
once you place a trade, you know that you're willing to lose that $5, $10. So let the
I
market
just let it run.
just let the market do whatever it needs to do. You lose that $5, our trade will our trades will not make you lose 5 in a row. No ways. So if you lose this one, you know there's another opportunity. Let's say you lost, then it's fine. There's this other opportunity here. It's one. Then here we have an entry. You see,
Yes.
let's say you lost here, this one. There's this another opportunity. This move alone will cater for all the losses
that I made, that happens there.
That's the mentality. That's the psychology behind trading. You lose you lose $5 to make $30, let's say, right? So
Yes.
you lost two trades. You lost two trades. It's $10, but you win one trade of $30. You have made $20 profit in this one trade.
No, I get you.
So you don't have to be scared of saying, "Yo, the market will hit my stop loss." It's part of trading. If you don't hit stop losses, then you're not a trader. Traders loses money in the market, but they're willing to risk more than what they lose.
Yes.
You get more than what you lose. That's what makes a better trader. You risk little for more, and then once you get that more, it piles up. Even if you get 10 losses, 2 trades covers 10 losses, then you are a better trader than someone who scalps $1 every second.
No, I get you. So basically the target, you check them on the lower structure, like on the major resistance, basically.
The target, we check them on the major, let me see this. Okay, the target, you check them on, because I check them on 4 hours. Let me show you how I do it. So I have these 2 zones. I call them this is my zone of the major support. You see these 2 black lines, horizontal lines, and then for me to say market has to go there is because of when I look left, it's a major support. It's a major support on my 4 hour. Okay, let me. Yeah, this is the area. Oh, it's on the page. I checked it on the page. Okay, let me go. It's on the page. On the page. Yeah. Yeah. You see, the first line that I'm looking for my target is here.
Oh yes.
This is if you go on a lower time frame, this is my line on the lower time frame of the major support, right?
Okay.
Yes. And then going left again, I have this. You see, so this 2,
which is another thing.
Yes, this is my zone where I'm looking for market to go back up. Yeah.
Okay.
You see, if the market is not that far from the area, because the market is here. You just need to go to this level.
Okay.
And then from here, we're gonna look for possible reversal trades like this, color consolidation, and then boom, up.
So now when it's like that, on your profit is gonna be on the first line or the second line, because that whole zone, it can just turn in the middle. So
no,
is it gonna be on?
My first profit is on this first.
Oh, on the first line. Okay.
Yes, it's on the first line. This one,
all right,
is a risky profit taking area, but this is
okay.
This area here is where I'm gonna look for market to move up.
Okay, all right.
Understand? And if the market doesn't do that, you're looking for price to come. It's here now, price. You're looking for it to come here, consolidate, rate maybe, consolidate, then break to the downside.
Okay.
Those are scenarios I'm looking at. But now I'm not looking. I know for sure that the market will never turn here. Will never move to the upside from this area.
What makes you so sure? If I may ask?
It has to feel this area. This
the space. Okay.
I don't call it smart money. What they call it now, fancy things that they call now, the smart money concept. No, this is price action. This because the price, the people who bought from here, they will never want the market to break this area because they already have their stop losses here. They have their stop losses here. There are investors here, investors who invested here. So they will want to push this market to the upside.
Yes.
You understand?
Okay. No, I know. I get it. I get it.
Yes.
Okay. One last question on that trade. Looking at that trade that we took yesterday, ne?
Yes.
When you check the structure on 15 minutes,
Okay.
there's the point that that lower point that you said I must look at that higher point and the lower point, in which the lowest was on the first in 23.30.
Yes.
Yes, on that point. Looking at the structure where we entered, will it be wrong to take the profit on that point, and then when it breaks that point, then you try to get a re-entry? Or I'm looking at it in a wrong perspective, maybe.
Okay, you're saying when we entered here, right?
Yes.
And then it went up, or what was the question?
Yes, we did enter there, then the market went up, and then it came down eventually.
Yes.
I'm saying if you hold until it reaches that lowest point.
This lowest point.
Yes, or that lowest point, we don't take it as a support.
No, for me, I wouldn't. You know what I would advise you to do? If you have at least $50 account, you place two trades. You place two trades. Let's say you did that. You place, because it was 1, 2, it was a double top here. So we entered here. We entered.
Yes.
Our stop loss was here. Fine. What market did, it came down and then break our structure, right? I'm not gonna close or do anything. I'm just gonna leave the market take me out. It's fine. But fortunately, it didn't. It went down. Here, I'm not taking my profits here because my lowest is my lowest.
Yes, I'm looking at that lowest, maybe.
Yes. Then market came back. I didn't do anything. Went down. I didn't do anything. Came back again. Didn't do anything. Went down. Didn't take profit, but moved my stop loss break even.
To break even, yes.
Remember, I sent it on the group and say send break even. You saw it.
Yes, I saw it. Yes.
That's when I sent my break even here. And then market went down. Didn't take profit. Came back. Didn't take profit. But here, it was my first targets. My first target were hit here.
Yes, that is the point I was saying in terms of maybe hitting that point of making it a first target.
Yes. You have to do that. You have to do that.
Okay.
If you have $50, you have two trades. Your first target is here. This is a swing trade with a small amount of money. It's a swing trade.
Okay.
Let's say you have one trade with $5 stop loss, and then you're making $30. It's a swing trade, or $50, or how much it's gonna be here.
Okay.
So now price is doing this. Having broken structure. This is still holding.
Yes, it's still valid. Yes.
Go down. It's still a valid sell. It's still something you can look at. And then now, even the market now, it's conducive for us to enter. You know, it still allows us to get more sell positions from here. But due to that, there's no because I would advise us to wait for market to do. Okay, let me say we are here. I would wait for market to do this, break this one, come to this level. Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. No, I get it now.
15 minutes, and then we can add more cells.
Oh, okay. All right.
But
All right.
for sniper entries, you there?
I'm listening.
It's giving us what now? Okay, we need to upgrade.
Yes, we're saying for sniper entries.
Yes, I'm saying for sniper entries, you enter because of already you have bearish movement. You can enter on this and then here. Stop loss right above here. You enter here. Stop loss right here. This level. This is like $2, $3.
Okay.
Because it doesn't break this level. And once it does, it means it's no longer a valid sell trade. When I come here, make a double bottom, double top here,
then it's gonna go down. All right.
Yeah. But we are in a sell until this area is tested. So we're gonna look for this sell here, I will top again to go down. Or if it breaks, it comes to this area, test again, then clear this.
Okay, all right.
Let me give you an idea of what I'm looking at. I'm looking at it to come here. Maybe if it does this, go down. If it breaks this level. But if it doesn't break that level, I'm looking for this, go down. Get it. Or if you want to be aggressive, enter here. Then you find.
All right. So if I may ask then, the better entries, it's when it's giving you a double top and a double bottom.
Yes, those are the better entries. You see, even here, this is a double top.
Yes.
The signal I would give. This is the proper signal I would give in the group. Sell here, stop loss here.
Okay.
Your target here.
Okay.
This is a proper. This you'll see it. I'm gonna contact you in 3 hours time. You'll see it. This is a proper sell.
No, I see that.
Yeah.
All right. No. I think my problems are a bit resolved. I must just practice.
Yeah, man.
So that I get better on this. Man.
Yeah, no, I'm here for you. I'm here for you for all this. Anything that you need, anything that you want to talk about, you can call me with Zoom, or you can call or you can text me. Then we do this.
Okay, no, really.
If you're not sure about anything, you just tell me, bro, I'm struggling with this. What should I do? Then we tackle it together. We check what we can do about it.
All right. No, I really appreciate a lot, man.
Yeah, man.
Thanks for the effort.
No, it's a pleasure, man. It's your effort. It's you who's taking the initiative to understand.
Yeah, I am tired of losing.
Yeah. It's a lot. Because even me, I paid for my mentorships. I did. For me to learn this thing, I did pay mentorships. I lost a lot of money paying people and all that. But I invested mostly on my knowledge, not on relying on.
Yes, yes, yes. Because signals, it's just have something temporary.
Yes, something temporary. The signal, if I take, you know what I would advise you to do? I use
Yes.
signal, but when I take a signal, I analyze myself. It's like,
Okay.
what is this guy seeing? What am I seeing? But with me, let's just show. With me, yeah, because of I show you this is.
Okay.
You can see. Do you see the telegram?
Yes.
Yes, you see. This is where we entered here. Yeah. But still, the market is gonna push down. So if I gave this, if someone gave me this signal, and I was gonna say, okay, without analysis, but me, I'm doing it different because I'm giving you a signal with my analysis. You understand? So that you
Oh, okay.
understand what I'm looking at. So, but if you were
Yes,
in
yes,
some
yes.
other group where they say, buy what without them giving you an analysis of it, and then you sell,
Clear indication of how did it come about? Yeah,
you
yeah.
just sell, you don't know how did that guy see the sale or whatever. So it's a problem.
No, I get it, man. No,
Yeah,
I'll get better with the structure, man. I'll get better with the structure.
yeah. Next time when we do this, I'm gonna teach you how to find levels.
Okay.
It's more important to know levels because you just place levels anywhere and then it doesn't do whatever you think it does. The most important thing is to find levels and what is it? Most important areas of value. You understand?
Okay.
Yeah, I'll teach you how to get them, and then that's where you enter your trades. That's why I always have sniper entries because I know my levels.
All right. When is gonna be the session? Maybe for showing me the levels.
No, we're doing weekly because we're doing weekly Zoom meetings, me and my clients. So everyone has their chance on the week. So
Okay. Oh,
this is
okay.
our first week, right?
Yes.
It's Saturday. So next week we might do it Friday. We might do it Saturday. It's going to depend on who's having an earlier appointment. But we'll do my schedules on Monday.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. No, thanks a lot, man. Really appreciate it.
Thanks, man. It's a pleasure. Enjoy.
All right, and be patient with the students.
Yeah, no, most definitely.